Things are not looking good for Safemoon in this point. Safemoon price traps bulls before another downswing. Hello everyone and welcome to a place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are gonna be talking about Safemoon V2. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on Safemoon, so if you want to find out where this red dot is going to go in the future, make sure you stay with us till the end of this video, guys, because first of all, I would not want you to miss out on some of the interesting news that we have prepared for you. Now, before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding Safemoon. If we take a look at the price at this point, right now, the current value of Safemoon is 0.201085, which is actually a drop in the amount of 10.66% in the last couple of hours. And take a look at the trading volume, boys and girls. It's also down by 90.17%. Now, if we take a look at the last 24-hour chart, we can see that the Safemoon mostly traded in the red zone. And we had a peak over here. We had a peak at the beginning of the day into green, and by the end, you can see the peak right now. But what's important is this dot right over here. So where will it go from here, you may wonder? Stop wondering, folks. All you need to do is just sit back, watch this video till the end, and I will provide you with that price prediction. Now let us go back to the news that I started the video with. Safemoon price action is on the back of foot again. All four cryptocurrencies in general are faring well after positive news of talks between Russia and Ukraine. Safemoon price action looks to be outlier with bears in driving seat and not yet set to give up on their positions. As bearish pressure further mounts, expect to see a drop of around 10%, which coincides with the low of February. Safemoon price action has slid further to the downside since the beginning of March. A close look at the charts and the shape of the candles shows how forceful bears are being in terms of price action, with the tops of each candle all but flat and no room for bulls to push price beyond the opening price. Bulls now appear remarkably absent from the market, and bears are in control, pushing price action further down. This won't stop until bulls show up again to halve the downturn. So check this out, guys. We are seeing this mostly as a straight line here, but if we compare it to the last 30 days, you can see this downtrend. You can see how much the price has fallen in the last 30 days. Now, let's go back to the article that I was telling you about. Safemoon price action has thus dropped below the crucial 0.201223 level with its 23.6% Fibonacci level. To make matters even worse, Safemoon price has slid through the low of February 28th at 0.201189, and during the weekend saw a firm rejection by the level when bulls tried to break back above it. Expect to see the price dip further towards 201059, printing new lows for March and even for the year if the price tanks further. So guys, at this point, things don't seem to be looking good for Safemoon. So right now we are at 201085, so we are not at 1039. But what we can see here, we can compare this price at this point. Let me go back to the last 24-hour chart right here with the all-time high Safemoon actually had back on January 4th. You can see that we are actually 85.80% away from that goal. Now, I'm not saying that's something unreachable, because things are not all that bad in general for Safemoon, but in the near future, things are not looking good. Now, let me show you one more thing before I tell you where this price is going to go. First of all, guys, I would need to tell you that I am not a financial advisor, so if you're willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. There are, again, new things to come from the Safemoon. Check this out. This is actually a Reddit post. Less than 10 days until cross-chain swap is live. So this is a rumor actually, but we can expect something to happen in the Safemoon community pretty soon. Later, there was a line added on the Discord about the new exchange listing coming along for the Safemoon, so this is a good news as well. But guys, let me show you this. If we take a look at their Twitter profile, we can see that in the last 48 hours, there were no news posted regarding what's happening, regarding any kind of update The last tweet on their Twitter account was from March 12th. And there's actually a joke regarding that on the Reddit profile. Let me show you that. Take a look at this. Safemoon sub when it's quiet and there's no updates for the last 4 days. Check out the picture, guys. I hope you can see it. Now, without any further ado, let me go back to that price prediction that I promised at the beginning. Now, guys, with everything we are seeing, with the price movement not looking so good, with bears in the driver's seat, I can definitely tell you that now it's not a good time to invest in Safemoon. On your place, I would wait at least a couple of more days to see where this price goes, if it drops even further down or it starts climbing up. It may seem like a good idea to buy it on the dip, but then again, what if it goes down further? So at least wait until it reaches some heights in the green and hovers there for a while. For now, I would not invest into Safemoon. If you like this video, leave me a comment and thank you for viewing.